What is going on, guys? Guess what? It is Tuesday and I have finished trading for the week. I absolutely love these weeks when we get that beautiful setup on a Monday and able to make profit. And then for the rest of the week, I get my freedom. I can go out. Today I went out, played some football, enjoyed the sun, enjoyed the fresh air. And this is what trading should be all about, your freedom to do what you want to do when you want to do it. And this is the important part of trading, which comes from really consistency and discipline over a long period of time. And in this video, I'm going to break down my trade yesterday, which enabled me to make my money for the week. And now I get to take the rest of the week off, right? Let's break it down. So right here, we can see is the setup. This happened late second window during New York session, right? With the DTG system, with the DTG Academy, we have two trading windows, or three if you count the mid window, right? But our main windows are right here during the pre-London London session, the mid window, which covers late London, pre-New York, New York Open, and then the second trading window, which covers kind of just after New York session opens up, kind of the COMEX Open, where you can catch really high volume movements, high volatility movements, which is exactly what happened yesterday. But first of all, what happened here, right? Let's break this down. How did we come to the conclusion? How did we come to the point where we wanted to take this trade? And it wasn't just me, by the way. It was, members in the academy taking these trades as well. You can see right here, this member said, just got up, wanted to make myself a coffee when suddenly I saw the signal, quickly looked at the confluences and bam, it's already the day with profit done before he's even had his morning coffee, right? So he got up just in time for this trade, saw the signal, saw the setup, saw the confluence, entered it and made profit for the day before he even had his morning coffee. That's beautiful. It's crazy to think, but it's beautiful. And it's the goal, right? It's what we all want to do. So how did we come to this conclusion? How did we find this setup? Why did we enter here? I'm going to break it down for you right now. Okay. During first trading window, during kind of like the pre-London session, gold was consolidating, right? But most people skip over this fact or this point right here, right? They think it's consolidating and they think, nothing's going on here, right? Let's just wait and see what happens. And once it breaks out, the move has already gone and they miss it, right? But they're missing vital information right here. This is a key level retracement that enabled us to take these buys. This was one of the main reasons, okay? Because price is consolidating here, but what they don't see is that price made a new high and then came down and made a high, made a new low here, but then it made a higher low from that high, rejected that area, and that's where we saw the volume come in. Then rejecting key levels, right? These levels are provided by the DTG indicator. You can see over here, the DTG indicator V6 right here. If I was to turn that off, boom, those levels disappear, right? But as we can see, retracement, rejection of this key level, very important once we created a new high, a breakout of these resistance levels, a retest, bullish momentum continuing, price then coming into our second trading window, which makes it valid, but also we had a bullish bias, which is very, very important because if I use the replay tool here and I just go back a little bit to this breakout, we can see that we have a neutral bias, right? And we don't trade really during neutral bias cycles, right? But once we start to push up here, pull back, retest this key level, watch what happens right here. Boom. We flip to a bullish bias now, okay? So it's important to keep an eye on the DTG indicator, our bias table. Now we know straight away the market is bullish. We're looking for bullish setups. What confluence do we have? Well, we have bullish market structure here. We have retracement. We have a break of one key level, break of 2, 3, 4 key levels with rejection and price pushing to the upside. Lots of bullish confluence aligning with the bullish bias. And once that forms, guess what happens right here? Well, the DTG indicator gives us our entry, a 15-minute buy signal. We can see the entry. We can see the stop loss, take profit 1 and take profit 2, all mapped out for us right here on the chart. Everything is right here for you. You just have to plug it in, right? When you come and join us in the DTG Academy, you get this to plug into your chart. Straight away, you get the V6, right? The DTG indicator V6, and you also get the DTG liquidity levels indicator, which is going to plot all the liquidity levels on the chart for you automatically. And all these levels right here that you're seeing, right? These ones, these update for each new session, each new window, each new day, each new week. These levels automatically update for you, so you don't have to worry about finding them, plotting them. You can learn, however, how they are found or how they are plotted by the indicator. You can learn to do it manually if you wish to do so, but the indicator provides that automation that makes our life a little bit easier, right? So we have a bullish bias, we have bullish confluence, we have a bullish entry. We enter the market, price pushes up, very nice, pulls back a little bit. We see some rejection, and then it starts flying to the upside. This is where I closed a majority of my position, and I let a little bit run for a 1 to 2. 1 to 2 didn't end up getting hit. As we can see, price eventually comes back down. But it pretty much, what did we get here? What was this move? This is about 120 pip move to the upside. And it was probably around about 20 or so pips. Yeah, 20 pips off my take profit. So I took most of my profit off the table here. I wanted to just lock in. This was my first trade for the week. So I just wanted to lock in that profit and call it a week. And that's exactly what I did. Small position got tagged out here at break even. But this is the beauty of following a clear system with a clear way to find direction and bias, so you know which way you're trying to trade each session, each day, each week, with clear rules, set rules for you to find confluence, to build confidence within that trade, and look then for an entry with clear entries from the DTG indicator right here. As you can see, a 15-minute buy signal with trade management techniques within the DTG Academy for you to learn, and a journal for you to journal all your data and your trades so you can keep track of what's working and what's not. This is real trading, guys. Honestly, this is real trading. Whatever you're seeing on social media right now, people just posting screenshots of, oh, I made 200K today, I made 50K today, I made 20K today, right? Very unrealistic trading and very unrealistic results for the majority of the people out there, right? So this is a real system, real trading, real results. You can see right here from the members. You can see right here from the members. You can see another member here. I waited and it paid off. I got some of that extra confluence. That 4-hour candle was on steroids. Bedtime, 2 a.m. here in NZ. So he took the trade well. He stayed up a little bit late with me. Got the trade, took the profits. This guy made profits before even getting his morning coffee. You know, other members here in it as well. He's in the 15-minute. Where is it? Yeah. Got the 15-minute signal. Simon also got it. You know, many members got this trade last night, right? We all jumped in it here. Beautiful setup, clean textbook DTG system setup. If you guys are interested in plugging my system in and start taking these trades with us, the information will be down below. And that's it, man. I am done for the week. I am literally done for the week. One trade on a Monday, and for the rest of the week, I have my freedom. I can relax. I'm still going to be in the Discord, in the group with the members, looking at setups and helping them through, you know, certain trades and stuff like that. But for me personally, I'm done. And that is it, man. That is it. Very happy. This is how trading should be. If you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10K. We just hit 5K. So thanks to everyone subscribing to the YouTube. But we're on the road to 10K now. So if you want more videos, more breakdowns, hit that sub button. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.